Alright, caramel apple pound cake. In this bowl, I got 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I got 1 cup of white sugar. I'm about to put in a half a cup of dark brown sugar. I'm about to put in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm about to put in a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. I'm about to put in 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and I'm about to stir this together. Where's my spoon at? Where's my spoon? Where's my spoon? Okay, so stir all this dry together. Right, till you're dry, you want to add 1.5 cups of vegetable oil, and what we got here, and you want to add 3 eggs. Oh no, that's my apples. I'm sorry. I gotta put 3 eggs in there, y'all. I'm blind, so I got an excuse. I wasn't supposed to put the apples or fold the apples in. So there go my 3 eggs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna whip this together. So it's a dump and go really. So to this, y'all, add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract and add 1 tablespoon of caramel extract. All right. Yes, I got it all mixed up. And what you want to do next, you want to put some green food coloring in it. Like that. Just put a little green food coloring in it. And mix it up. Because you know when you're doing caramel, when you get a caramel apple at the store or at the fair, it'll be a green apple with caramel. So we're going to make it green. I'm going to put the batter in a bundt pan. And, you know, got some shortening, some flour. My oven is set on 325. We're going to bake it for 1 hour and 15 to 1 hour and 20 minutes. That's the cake. About to put it in the oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Let's go make the caramel to go on top. Some caramel. Let's put in 3 tablespoons of butter. 3 tablespoons of butter. Let's put in 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Hope I'm in the pot. Let's go in the pot. Okay. Put in that brown sugar with that butter. Let it get caramelized. To that, let's add 1/4 cup of apple juice. I'm using martini apple juice. All right, to that, y'all, let's add 1/4 cup of apple E&J. You can use 1/4 cup of apple E&J or 1/4 cup of apple crown roll. Add in about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, now I want to add 1 can of condensed milk, y'all. So add 1 can of condensed milk in there. Okay, we're going to let this mix. We're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes. For 10 minutes, and we're going to add about 1/2 cup of milk. And then turn it off. Alright, I'm stirring this for about 10 minutes, y'all. I want to get a nice color before I add the milk to it. Okay, it's getting thick right there, y'all. I put my thing on medium. About to add 1/2 cup of milk. Stir it in. Alright, y'all. This is what I'm looking for. It's good, smooth, and velvety. I can turn it off. Alright, let's get the cake out the oven. Alright, got my cake out the oven. Been in 1 hour and 15 minutes. Let's flip it. Alright, there you go. I then flipped it. I got it on my turntable, y'all. Alright, let's put that frosting on it. And there goes the caramel apple pound cake, y'all. I might cut it and taste a piece. Alright. But this for a customer, so I have to do the sample. I know I'm going to cut this one because I'm doing 2. There you go.